guys, today our recipe is sausage sandwich. I learned this recipe at my school. I will also be making this by myself today. Now here are the ingredients. Bread slices, sausages, tomatoes, onions, salad leaves, tomato sauce, butter, salt and pepper powder. Now let's get started. First, apply the butter. Spread it. Now apply the sauce. Spread it. Now place the salad leaves. Now we have to place the onions and tomatoes. I like my onions as rings, so I will be making them rings like this. I don't like tomatoes, so I won't be placing them. Add salt. Add pepper powder. Next, place 2 sausages. If you want to save one sausage, then take one and cut it like this. Then place them. If you want an additional sausage, you can add one. I want an additional sausage, so I will take one. Remember to cut it. I also want another sausage, so I will also keep this half. Now apply more sauce. You can apply sauce on the sausages and then spread them like this. Now place the top bread. You take a plate. Place the sandwich. Now you can eat. Now I am going to make another sandwich for my mother. You can do the same as the first sandwich. Now you can serve. I will be giving this to my mother.
Thank you.
No problem. Now I will be tasting this for myself. This is very good. I hope you guys like that new recipe. You can make this recipe at home. It is worth it. Bye guys. Hi guys. I will also be, if you want to say